Hello and welcome to my channel Quality and Productivity here on YouTube. I am Fernando Ferrari, I'm a Master Black Belt, and here we discuss about quality, productivity and continuous improvement tools. On this video, I'll show you what a Pareto chart is and how to create one in Minitab. Let's get to the video. Alright guys, let's get started. The main theme in this video is the Pareto chart, okay, one of the 7 basic quality tools. And first of all, I would like to ask you, if you like the content on this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and activate the notifications so you'll be notified every time I publish a new video around here, okay? So let's get started. I have here a small data set with the summary or a count of some defects that happens in a company for a year. So they summarize the data like the defects. The column C1 has the defect name and the column C2 has the quantity of each of these defects. So the objective is to create a Pareto chart so you can prioritize what kind of defect you should focus on your continuous improvement works, okay? So we have a list here, as you can see on my screen right now. Broken, 532 parts. Skip, 324 parts. Open, 85 parts. Damaged, 41 parts. And scratched, 25 parts. And no finish, 5 parts. So you would like to check and prioritize which defect you should focus on. Note that you should not you don't need to have the data sorted as it is here, okay? It could be scrambled or not even summarized. Minitab will do that for you, okay? But for clarification and didactic purposes, I am putting the data this way so it's easier to see what's happening, okay? So to create a Pareto chart in Minitab, you go to the Start menu, click on Quality Tools, and then Pareto Chart, okay? And Minitab will open this dialog for you. So you need to fill in some information for the software to be able to create the chart for you, okay? So in this field, defects or attribute data in, you choose the column C1. It's the column that have the names of the defects, okay? And the frequencies or counts of each occurrence of the defects, you need to put it on the column C2, you see, quantity, okay? Here you can choose if you want to combine the remaining defects into one category after a specific percent. So let's do not combine. Let's choose do not combine for now, okay? And click OK. And you see that Minitab will generate the chart for you. Let it process it. As you can see, Minitab generated a Pareto chart of all the defects. Let me maximize in the screen for clearer to see, okay? So here is a Pareto chart, okay? A Pareto chart is nothing more than a bar chart classified from the biggest frequency to the lowest frequency. So you can see the biggest frequency is the broken defect, okay? We have here below on the horizontal axis the quantity, the total quantity of these defects, 532 parts, okay? And it represents 52.6% of all the defects in this table, okay? So if you would like to focus on a specific defect and the biggest offender of the quality in this company, you would focus on the broken defect, okay? So you have here 52.6% and cumulative as well, cumulative percent 52.6%. Here on the vertical axis you have the quantity of each defect, okay? And the opposite vertical axis you have the percent equivalent for each bar. So as you can see, 52.6 is almost 60% here in this line, okay? And then it goes down to the second most frequent defect, the skip defect. The count is 324 units. The percentage equivalent to this specific defect is 32%, and cumulative it means that it's summarizing broken and skipped defects. You have a total of 85%. And then you have the remaining defects. Open with 85 represents 8.4% and cumulative 93%, and so on, okay, until no finish. You have 100% of the data present in this column. This cumulative percent is also plotted here in this blue line. As you can see here, if you stop the mouse over, it will show you the values for each dot, okay, cumulative values for each dot, and the percentage it represents. So this is basically a Pareto chart, okay, and you can generate it in Minitab this way. Please hit the like button if you like this content, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notifications to receive a new notification every time I publish a new video around here, okay? Thank you very much. See you next time.